טוב, eu não sei porque, I don't know why it was slow for a reason. Look, how everything already indexed. It's coming from my Raspberry Pi. Here. It's very hard to see, but it's here. And I'm controlling the screen. Amir, I speak with English because I showed this to a friend of mine also, Eric. I control everything from here. Let's try to put Blade Runner while I'm running a radio of campus, כל campus from Israel. Let's see. What if it breaks? Oh, it stopped. Start Blade Runner. It's amazing. Everything, I control it with this. It connects to the HDMI and I activate it. I have a menu, sync menu in my, it's a sync menu, you see? Sync menu, it search HDMI and it's HDMI compatible. There is a standard like CEC, which the XBMC already comes with. The XBMC, the OpenElec, I installed it above it, and here you have it. Let's stop. Look. This stop. I do play, pause. Look, pause, play, pause. Look, play, pause, stop. Now it goes. I told you stop. It went back, and it's already downloading each. It's unbelievable. Now, and he shows. Look. Now I go back. Now I want to see recent. There are genres. Look. There is a skin I put for the XBMC. I shall see after. You don't remember. No, it's already putting by categories. It's unbelievable. And I'm connecting as a torrent because I have NTFS. My Agade external, which is external HD, it's 2 tera, but come from Windows. It has NTFS. This is why my writing speed to the NTFS for my XBMC is an issue. And I found a post. I have to edit something configuration. Let's go to romance. That's already putting according to categories. It's unbelievable. Bridesmaids is romance. So that was my small video. Wrestler, it's not romance. Maybe yes. Of a small video about showing to you how I have a media center with my remote control of the television. It's crazy. Yalla, ciao.